We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 6.4 by 16 foot straight deck utility trailer with 4-foot mesh and a Weedeater basket. This does have your jack, coupler, and safety chains, as well as the breakaway system. Has your extended tongue. This is built for mounting equipment. Has 4-foot mesh sides, as well as the built-in tie-down points. This also does have a mesh basket for your Weedeater tools, etc. This does open and will fold down. Has 2 Greaseable 3,500-pound axles with brakes on the rear. These do have 15-inch wheels and tires. You'll see this is a straight deck trailer, so it does have the tall spring-assisted rear loading gate. Also comes with the LED drive lights. On your passenger side, you also have your spare tire mount as well. Once again, this is the 6.4 by 16 foot straight deck utility trailer with a 4-foot mesh and basket. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.